This is a simple and fast review of the MASITE PCWJ Core 300 H13 True HEPA pet filter replacements. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open, we're going to find two of these. First, you'll see a nice little kind of brush to help clean some of the dust that may build up. But want to just show you before we go to the install, what these look like. Crack this open here. So again, looks fantastic. Comes in multiple colors, color options, but as you can see, it should work perfect. So bottom line, the process is simple. You'll just remove the base, the bottom of your air purifier, unscrew that, just pull the old one out, place the new one in. The fit is perfect, and again, it's an OEM product, but it fits perfectly. So not much to it. You can again use this to kind of dust stuff off, whatever, if needed. But the pure gold here is the exact fit of an affordable filter that fits perfectly. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.